Hi everybody, it's Mike Garcia here, permaculturist and living with harmony. You know what? The way you live with harmony is by working with nature. And right now I'm standing in the rain because I want to describe to you how to, this precious liquid, how to save it so you can reuse it in the future. A few facts about rain. Rain actually it's the purest form of water that we know of because it doesn't have all the chemicals that are running through street pipes that have lots of corrosion and rust through it. It's just pure. And so how do you save rainwater? Well, on our roof, we actually have gutters. The gutters funnel the water into a pipe, and the pipe is going, you can see it very far back. It comes off the roof, it goes down here, goes into this chamber right here, and I actually have, it's coming down hard. I actually have, the chamber gets filled up, and then when I want to use it, I press this button, and there's rainwater. So, just wanted you to see that this pump is actually sucking the rainwater out, and it's pushing it into this right here. And then when I need it, this will go for about a half hour if I have a hose on it. But more importantly, I have this getup right here. If you want to take a look at this, this is actually drip irrigation. Now, where this is sucking water is, once I've saved 500 gallons of water, it fills up, it goes into this pipe, and it shoots out into this area right here, which is, this used to be a swimming pool, a natural swimming pool about almost 10 years ago. We filled it up with a big tank, and so this tank actually gets water from over there, and it takes it off the roof over here. If you take a look at this roof, it actually has solar power on it. Right now it's getting clean, and all that water from the rain is pushing underneath here to the point to where we're actually saving 5,000 gallons. So over there's 500. Right here I'm standing on 5,000 gallons of rainwater, and I'll show you this thing. It actually, there it is. There's rainwater. It's about half filled up. You can actually put together for every 1,000 gallons of roof that you have, if for 1 inch of rain, you'll save about 625 gallons. So I've saved several thousand gallons because it's rained a few inches so far in LA this season. I have everything. I have a pump over there that pulls water out of this containment system, and it pushes it through drip irrigation. And drip irrigation historically saves about half of what you would put on your plants in your landscape. So this is how we live in harmony, living with harmony. That's what Living Harmony is all about. For more information, check out the website livingwithharmony.org. This is Mike with Enviroscape LA in Los Angeles, telling you, please think about our environment. It's our future. People care, earth care, and future care. Let's think about the kids. Let's do it now. Take care.